Holy cow, who are you?
Andrea.
And?
Ashton.
What are we doing, guys?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today.
Yeah.
You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met? You
Yeah,
trust me to
sure.
throw him out
Let's
of an
do
airplane?
it.
Whose idea was this?
That guy's.
Yeah, blame somebody else when you can. Last words, final comments, confessions?
Nah, let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Computer, tablet, phone, burn it all, buried in the desert for me. Let's go rock a skydive, have some fun. Here we go. Let's get up and out of here, go rock a skydive, have some fun. High five. Holy cow.
That was great.
You did awesome.
That was the greatest experience of my life.
Pull this one down. Look at the camera. Pull it down all the way. Look at the camera. Pull it.
Hell yeah! Woo!
How you feeling?
That's great. So great.
Pull one down.
So good.
Pull it down. All the way down. Yeah.
Oh my god. Great. Oh hell yeah.
Survived. What do you think?
That was the greatest experience of my life.
You did awesome, man. You have fun?
I had so much
Good
fun.
job looking at the camera for the flip.
Hell yeah.
Woo.
That was awesome.
Come back, see me again. I'll let you open the parachute. You just got to play with my balls. Got to color out springs.
Hey, appreciate it.